The world is changing fast. Are you ready? Armed with forward-thinking, innovative features, the new Hyster End Rider leads the way for the future of materials handling. Conquer the demands of warehouse applications, including order picking, dock work, long transport, and more. Surging e-commerce demand is leading to fatigued operators who may decrease in productivity over the course of a shift. That's why we've engineered the Hyster End Rider to help keep your operators comfortable and secure all shift long. The optional extended operator platform provides 30% more usable foot space than leading competitors. The Ultra Cushion floor mat reduces shock and vibration by 30% over conventional rubber mats. Order profiles and delivery expectations are changing. Order picking must be efficient. The Precision Pick feature allows the operator to navigate from pick to pick with precision control of the speed and coast functions in both directions with the simple press of a button. To further increase efficiency, the End Rider is equipped with a shift assist feature, which serves as a shortcut to increase truck functionality. Employee and facility safety expectations are growing. Optional LED platform and fork lights offer in-trailer illumination, which can increase pedestrian awareness and help reduce product damage. The Hyster End Rider, designed with innovation and industry-exclusive features to help your organization get ready for the future of materials handling. Contact your local Hyster dealer today.